Hey ladies, welcome back to my channel. We are back with another Amazon wig install, and this wig is from Nadula Hair Amazon. I'm showing you guys their beautiful highlight bob wig. This is a Yaki straight texture. It's 12 inches. It's 100% human hair, and I want to say she is 150% density. I'm not exactly too sure, but the link will be in my description box down below just in case you guys want to check it out for yourselves. Now, this wig is super beginner friendly, you guys. It is literally a throw on and go type of wig unless you plan on styling it further. It's completely up to you, and there's really not too much lace to work with. You don't have to worry about securing the lace down, making it blend, none of that stuff. As always, I'm giving you guys some close-ups of the hair, the lace, the minimal lace that you have to work with, and also the inside of the wig cap as well. As you can see, it comes with the combs and the adjustable elastic band. So as always, we're going to add a little bit of that foundation all over our lace, which again, very minimal to work with. Okay, now I went ahead and I threw the wig on and I just made sure everything was secure. Now the only thing is that this wig was a little loose on me, so if I was to wear this out in public, I would definitely want a little bit more security, and knowing me, I would probably sew it down to my head or something just to be sure, because we don't have the lace to actually secure and to hold in place on top of the elastic band. So that's just something I want you guys to pay attention to as well. Now I am going to go ahead and cut some more of those bangs because it was too long on me. I've cut bangs in my wigs before. I'm pretty comfortable with it now, so I know exactly what length they need to be on for me. If it's your first time doing it, just cut off little by little and just take your time, especially with the scissors because it's right by your eyes. So please take your time, do not hurt yourself. Now I'm just adding some more foundation on that lace, and then I'm going to go ahead and make sure the wig is laying super flat with my wax stick and my hot comb. Next, it's time to freshen up the rest of the hair, so I'm just going to go ahead and take my flat iron. Now with Yaki texture, it's going to take to the heat extremely well, so straightening this and making sure everything is looking fresh and neat was like a 1, 2, 3 type of thing. I'm also going to do the same thing with my bangs as well. And you guys will also see me messing with my bangs a little bit more because I'm going to feather them out, and I'll explain what that means once we get to that clip. So with my bangs, I'm going to take my scissors and I'm going to take section by section and cut upwards. And what this basically does is it helps your bangs to not look super blunt. So that's what it means by feathering them out. You can do this as much as you want to. You just keep doing it until you get your desired look. So we're pretty much done. This is basically what the wig looks like after you take it out the box and you do a little, refresher on her, and this is what you are left with. Now, I think that this would eat on all of my girlies with more of a narrow face and longer necks. You guys know that I'm kind of iffy with bobs because I just feel like they don't always fit my face shape the best, and I'm short, so I have a short neck, so I don't always like it. So I wanted to do something that was going to jazz it up a little bit, and this is kind of what I came up with. I decided to cut a little bit of layers in the front, which is something I did off camera, and then I just added some curls in it just to kind of make the hair seem a little bit more bigger and a little bit more voluminous. And I'm also going to curl the bangs just a little bit more as well. Again, this is a Yaki texture, so it took to the heat extremely well. So as far as holding the curl, I didn't have any issues with it. Alright, so this is what we are left with, you guys. Comment down below. Let me know what you're thinking. I think it actually did come out cute. Is this a look that I would wear out? I'm not exactly too sure. It'll have to be with like the right dress. You know what I'm saying? Like the right event that I'm going to or something. But it's definitely giving a more mature look. But I think she is super cute. And because this bob is shorter, I do think that adding the curls definitely helped me out a little bit. So make sure you guys go ahead and you check out the description box down below. The link to this wig will be listed there. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. I hope we learned something today, and I will see you guys next time.